Morning all. Look at the sunrise. At the moment it's just 6:37 a.m. I'm a bit late because I was packing up some equipment. Oh, and then bloody I was walking up here, bloody wasp following me about 300 meters. Oh, bloody wasp. Anyway, I'll see you down there. They're pretty keen to come in the morning bushwalking. I got a hammer. I got another socks. It almost swell today, huh? This is very hard to climb up here, so I gotta put some bolt. Where is the hole there? Yeah. Fuck me there. Ooh, look at the water. Woo! Massive, huh? I'm putting the stainless steel bolt 316 so that I can grab it. It will last long. Woo. Last bolt. That's it. Climb up. Oh, that's so easy. All right, let's go back to fishing. I'll see you down there. Morning all. Today is Saturday 30th. Long weekend, Labor Day. It's around 7 o'clock at the moment, 7:08. It's beautiful, but sweat is a bit high at the moment here, huh? Anyway, let's try that. I go one on the float and I'll try out lure. Let's see how we go. Valley, huh? Yeah. Trevally.
Oh, who's belly?
Oh shit. Calm down. Okay, okay. I'll let you go, man. Yeah! Simon! Oh, 이빠가. Simon! About time, huh? Huh? I don't know what it is. Oh, it's only light here, only. Ah, gone. Oh, you king. Oh, you damn! I put the. Look at this hook. I tried to catch drama and bloody the king came on. Let's try other hook. Oh, come on. Finally caught the king here. This king. Oh yeah. It's coming out. Oh. Where are you? Ah, it's a red king here. Red king here. I don't want you, mate. Just caught leather jacket. It's a bit big, huh? Looks like 40 centimeter. Koron the yeka hook. Okay. Look at the whale, 3 whales, huh? Wow, look at that. Oh, look at this whale, huh? Right at the front, about 100 meters. Whale, I think it's a baby, one baby and mother and father, I think. Really big. Look at it. Whoa. They're just playing around here, huh? Whoa! Amazing, huh? Oh, I've been trying everything. Such a big wave. Not much fish around at the moment. I'm trying a garfish lure. Look at the wave coming. Today is a very disappointing day. Look at the swell coming up, huh? I'm starting to pick up. Lucky. Woo, nearly sliced to the ground. Woo. Anyway, I'll be packing up and then I'll be going home. Wow, very lucky. I would ended up to this hole here. Whoa. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Look at my bucket is going. All the bait is in there. I was fishing here. The water hit on the rock there and then just splash about 5 meters high, and then it just hit me, and then I was skid from here all the way up to there. But I grabbed this rock. Look at the skid mark. I grabbed this hole and luckily it stopped me to go into this gutter. I would be ended up into the water. Maybe might be something happened, you know. Luckily I'm survived, you know. Thank you, Lord. Oh, look at this. I'm so soaked by freaking wave. It's about 3 to 5 meters high there, you know. It's still coming up. I said I'm gonna pick it up. Then it was the last pass, and then just hit bang, you know. Then just I was skid along there to the ledge, but I stopped, you know. Luckily I stopped. So, oh, thank God, you know. Anyway, always wear a vest. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. I'll see you next time. Cheers. No fish today. Lucky I put the boat quickly go up. Oh yeah. Let's get out of here, huh? Woo. Lot of swell, huh? Look at that. Wow, there, man. See the boat, the boat. Anyway, let's get out of here. Woo. Run, 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 run. Woo. Okay there. Woo. What a day.